In the second example I'm going to use is, imagine I'm in Sweden, right? And I want to buy, let's say, something on Solana. Let's say helium, because it's a great project. Well, right now I'm about to buy 10,000 crowns of helium token. And again, with a smart engine, with SwissBorg, within a fraction of seconds, this is going to be done. And how it's going to be done on the behind is very, very, very exciting. So here we see the trade was done. The beauty behind this is that we saw that the 10,000 Swedish crowns bought 878.45 euros by doing FX conversion. Then these 878 euros essentially on Kraken bought USDT. Then these USDT on Bitfinex essentially bought 5.12 SOL. And last but not least, these 5.12 SOL bought 137.54 helium tokens on Orca. The beauty with SwissBorg is that within a fraction of just one click and few seconds or milliseconds, we're able to go from Swedish crown to helium token. And by making sure that we're getting this at the best price by doing arbitrage. Think about this of finding the best flights, between different spots by making sure you're actually playing the markets with high frequency trading. And the beauty here is that at first it did Forex, so we get the best rates for foreign exchange. Then we get the best rates on centralized exchanges, on SEXs. And then we get the best rates on decentralized exchanges. So that's why at SwissBorg we are better than SEX.